version comparison tool, or save a copy as XML. This is basically a continuation of the original database design report and will allow you to quickly and easily save a full serialization of your solution as an XML file. Simply by clicking Save a Copy as XML, putting in a name and a location, you can save a full detailed version of all the information about your solution as an XML file. It can also be done via scripting. So if you go to the script workspace, you'll see the Save a Copy as XML script set. This makes it really quick and easy to build processes to store XML files of your solution for security and reference later. This is also able to be set up on a server schedule, which will allow you to automate this process at a given time period. So you see here, Save a Copy as XML will save a full version of your database. Now, what we can also do, just for example, is if we make a change to our database here, let's say we add a button. Let's add a button here. It doesn't really matter what we call it. We'll say test button. Let's make it fit on our layout a little bit better. So we add a test button, and let's say we change the text color of our information. Let's say we make this one a blue color, just for an example. So we've saved these changes. Now we have our original XML sample. Let's rename this to original. And then let's click our Save a Copy as XML again. This will give us the new version of our updated solution. Now, if you run a differential against these two versions, what you can see is, if we open up our file, so our XML sample, and if we open our XML original sample, and we can run diff on the file, you'll be able to see here as we scroll down towards the bottom here is all the information for our database. Here we can see the additional member on our layout, and then here there's the change to the color of our font, and then here is our additional button. So there's the full differential of our XML database here that you can see both. Thank you very much, and if you'd like to see more, feel free to check out the article above or click the link to download the solution file. Thank you.